Finding the right contact info for your outreach is usually the most time-consuming part. In this video, I'm going to go through the most effective ways to identify relevant contact information without breaking a sweat. In fact, if you're running your outreach campaign through Respona, the process is completely automated. Let's walk through an example by running a blogger outreach campaign. The goal of this campaign is to find other bloggers that have recently published content around your chosen topics. In the first field, enter several non-competing keywords. We recommend using AI keyword suggestions and the general and broad terms prompt. This way, Respona will come up with 20 additional keyword suggestions and greatly broaden your search and find more results. Next, you'll need to provide a brief incentives to start up a collaboration. For example, this can be an indirect link back from one of your upcoming guest posts. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chances of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on the recipient's website. Now we'll move to the next step, opportunities. Respona has already put together your search strings with advanced search operators. You can also hover your cursor over the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, such as the content or SEO managers. But you're more than welcome to change the settings to find very specific employees of your target companies. Let's walk through each one real quick. First, select your opportunity type: blog, news, homepage, or podcast. Next, set the number of contacts to assign to each opportunity. We recommend setting 2 to 3 just to maximize your chances of success. Next, type the job titles and seniority levels of your ideal prospects in the respective fields. Enabling the required toggle will ignore all other employees at the company. We recommend keeping it off as it can drastically reduce the contact search success rate. We also recommend keeping the skip catch-all emails domains toggle on and enabling generic emails as needed to reduce bounce rates and increase success rates. Once you click on Run Automation, opportunities will be added to your campaign as they're found. Every contact will display their current job titles, email addresses, and LinkedIn profiles. Manual setup is designed for situations where you just need to find 1 or 2 more emails. Add your opportunity to Respona either by finding it in the search engine or importing it from a CSV. Click on it, go to contacts, and then click add. You'll have 2 types of searches that you can run. The first one is by domain. Just hit search and Respona will pull all the work emails associated with that target domain. Optionally, you can enter the desired job titles of your ideal prospects to find them more easily. The second one is by name. If you already know who you're looking for, just paste their full name and domain into the search bars, and Respona will look for you. If you don't have access to Respona, here are some ways on how you can find contacts manually. Start by looking at company LinkedIn pages. They can reveal a ton of potential targets. Think decision makers, content managers, or even CEOs if you're aiming high. It's a manual process but can pay off with a lot of high quality, relevant, up-to-date contacts. In addition to taking up a solid chunk of your day, another downside to this approach is that, of course, not everybody openly lists their email address on LinkedIn. The next strategy is to don't overlook the basics, the website footers and the About Us pages. Sometimes the contact you need is waved right in front of you and no digging required. Respona also has a free email finder available to non-users. Just type in a full name and the company and like magic, you'll get the email, because sometimes the simpler path is the best path. Additionally, Respona has a free email verifier. Plop in the email that you have or that you want to check and it'll verify for you in real time. And that's it. You're now equipped to swoop up contact details with stealth and precision, paving the way for an outreach campaign that targets the right inboxes. I'll see you in lesson 3.